Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with frozen watermelon. First, you'll need to prepare your watermelon. Cut one medium watermelon into 1-inch cubes, making sure to remove all the seeds. This step is crucial for a smooth sorbet. Once cut and deseeded, spread the cubes on a baking sheet and freeze them for at least 4 hours, or until solid. This ensures the perfect icy texture for blending. Now that your watermelon is frozen solid, it's time to blend. Take 4 cups of the frozen watermelon cubes and place them into a food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully. For a touch of sweetness, include 1 tablespoon of honey or agave nectar. Process these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. After blending, your sorbet will be soft-serve consistency. To achieve a firmer, scoopable texture, transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Use a spatula to smooth out the top surface evenly. Place the container back into the freezer for an additional 2 to 3 hours. This chilling period allows the sorbet to firm up nicely, making it perfect for scooping and serving. Once your sorbet has firmed up, it's ready to enjoy. Scoop generous portions into your favorite bowls or cones. You can garnish it with a fresh mint sprig or a small lime wedge for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. This refreshing treat is perfect for a warm day or as a light dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade watermelon sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.